Another morning. So nandito kami ngayon sa Billings. So dito lang kami nagpark sa Pilot Flying J dito sa Billings. So dito lang kami nagpark sa gilid kasi yun nga, puno na kagabi. So what we do is nag-laundry. Dumayo kami ng laundry kasi para makabawas kami ng trabaho ng pag-uwi. Wala na masyadong lalabahan yung laundry. So nag-laundry na rin kami dito. Mura na naman laundry. $25 lang US. So yun. So 5 hours to Yellowstone. So another road trip again, another day. It's our third day.
Depende din kung saan tayo dadaan.
So yung dadaan namin is pinag-aaralan pa namin. So per McDonald's. Ano? Okay. Ay, maganda rin. So naglaba kami rito sa truck stop and nag-shower na rin para naman maka heavy shower. So yun. Casino rito. Ang truck stop na to is may casino, restroom, laundry room. Still 15 minutes tapos na. Pero kung so yan, nag-laundry kami. Baka akala damit ano nila yan, hindi kaya. Buti hindi na pagkamalan. So, tapos na kami maglaba. Balik na kami sa RV. And let's go to Sagaw. Let's go to mag-start na ulit kami ng biyahe, road trip. Kung anong madaanan, kung anong makita is picture lang naman. Maganda naman yung weather, medyo normal temperature, medyo malamig-lamig ng konti. So good. Macdo. We're in Macdo. Ha? Saan namin nagpark lang sa side eh. Yung kabila kasi Flying J. Ito Pilot. Pares lang yan, tapatan lang from eastbound tsaka westbound. So narito kami sa westbound. So yun. At kami ay gagaor na rin. Magpapatuloy sa aming paglalakbay, mga biyahero. Hindi na pala natin kailangan magpahugas ng trailer. Nahugasan na sa ulan.
Boop! I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke. And I will try to fix what has been broken. And take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean ocean. Let its unsaid words be spoken, and I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
Turn right now.
Dito, dito. O, gusto nyo mag-park muna doon? Picture? Dito, dito, dito.
Park lang tayo dyan. Yan, park.
Turn right onto Robert Reamer Avenue. Make a slight right turn now.
Dati yung parking nyo nasa kaliwa.
May gate. Ayun pa uwi.
Continue on US 89 South for 25 Proceed 8 kilometers on the current road.
Seven days. Wala bang ano? 20 lang. Group. Pwede palang group eh.
Hindi, may ID din si daddy eh.
Uy, sabi. Hi ma'am. Good.
I'm good.
Do you guys need a map and guide today?
Yes ma'am, please.
Tita,
There you
here.
go.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, all good. Yeah,
Okay.
thanks.
May anything?
Wala.
Wala, they just need the ID, the pass, and your driver's ID.
Saan tayo? Dati dito. Sayang naman.
My nails are turning bright.
So, narito na kami sa gate. So, yun. Hindi pwede yung drone magpalipad. So, yun.
See, I can
Ayan yung one side ng Yellowstone Park. Dito kami dadaan.
North entrance.
North entrance. So, packet na kami dyan.
Dito bumil. Nabisi ka doon.
Pati sa glacier, magagamit natin ito.
Oo nga, daddy, titignan ko ngayon yung Sun Road. Kasama yung Sun Road dyan sa Casio.
Wala man na shoulder eh.
Tita, nung ID nga yun, beautiful.
Alin?
Yung ID nyo
Saan naman ito ang dadaan na ito? Siko eh oh. Ganito ang daan dito. Kala ko ba yung magandang daan dito?
Abay, mas okay daw to kaysa kabila. Imagine mo na lang yung kabila.
Mahilap naman na 1%.
Tita, ito po. Thank you. Pagpatay mo na ang aircon. Patay ko muna. Patay mo muna. Kita, patay lang muna kami ng aircon, ha?
Oo naman. Pero windy naman eh. Kailangan. Gusto niya papatay ko.
Eh, kung mas okay ito, imaginein mo na lang yung kabila. Steve, kaya alalay lang kami sa RV, mamalaglag.
Siyempre naman, kailangan hinay-hinay lang.
Okay lang, ako sasapo.
Tulak mo nga kami dati.
Naka-wave naman yung insurance nito eh, so wala akong babayaran.
Makipot pala, no?
Walang shoulder eh. Bakit ba naman ito lang pa sa guhit?
Alam na nga niyang paakyat tayo, dapat tayo nga priority, di ba?
You okay? You watching the view?
Ano ba kinukuha nito? Para yung mga
Oo nga.
makapadibdibang
Ay, mali.
yun lang yan, siko-siko eh. Naliyo na yung RB.
Oo. Mayroon. Walang kalsada talaga dito. Hindi pwede na. Pero kung may RV ka, hindi ka pwede magsasabuhin ka. Tingnan mo.
Para tayong pabigol nito ah.
Parang direct tayo para hindi ko ka nang malupit.
Yung pauwi nito.
Pababa.
Pababa.
You feel dizzy? You are?
Hindi dito, okay lang yan.
Ay, ganun pa sa drone. Gano'n po ba kalayo?
May 51 miles.
Na ganito?
Hindi ko alam. Mahal, hindi ko alam.
Parang sagada eh.
Oo nga. Nagdadala ka ng van sa van. Saka,
Hindi natin natanong. Ano ba natin ganito kakakyatan dito?
Ilaw yan, turbo.
Sa ilo ulit.
Hindi.
singing. He's competing with you. You're singing.
Tayo naman ang lulusong.
Is that your lips? I like it.
Is that you? Is that you?
It's yellow color.
Ah, yeah. Like Yellowstone.
At lang yan. Ano naman dali natin ito?
You think there's a snake? None?
I cannot see snakes. When we go down,
Welcome to Wyoming.
please make
Sabi,
Tayo.
nasan yung Wyoming?
Wala nga eh.
Wala namang welcome to Wyoming.
Wala. Pero Wyoming na to? Yeah.
Oh, pag nag-welcome to Wyoming na siya eh.
Ah.
Welcome to Wyoming.
Yung ating mga pinabili doon, sigurado
Nagka,
Sa kami, sagado pala ito eh.
Oh, mamay ko.
Ang taas na oh.
punta sa nga eh.
Taas. Ano ba yan?
Tapos gusto mo pa yung barefoot? Ha?
Basic!
Ito nga tinuturong daan eh.
Anong barefoot?
Yung isa pong
Barefoot?
daan. Barefoot.
Barefoot.
Opo.
Mas makikot dito? Mas mataas?
Mas ano po, mas mataas.
Can you close the thing now? Turn cold.
Which one?
Wait lang anak.
Mommy still taking picture.
Naku,
I
ano nangyayari dyan?
You use your blanket. Where is it? There you go. Magic. It's in your forehead.
Naku, bakit eh. Tarik. Oh, ang tarik. Taas na natin.
Yeah, look at the mountain. It's really too steep.
Alalay lang kami
It's
dad.
good that daddy can balance driving in his own.
Yes, yan, nalalay lang.
Palusong
Para
naman.
matraffic sa likod.
Palusong naman.
Matraffic. Naisalubo naman natin, dami din traffic.
Palusong naman.
Ito naman ay pababa, kaya babagalan din namin. Baka sumubsob kami.
Pag merong pwedeng tumabi tayo, tatabi tayo, palampasin natin sila.
Okay lang yan, daddy. Hindi naman nila na RV dala natin.
Ganda pala ng bundok ng Wyoming.
Yun.
Ay, taon na pala eh.
Very steep.
Taon na pala sa babae. Okay na.
Dumanan pala tayo sa ano, sa Tingunan.
Unan, alright. May na-aksidente daw lately, right?
Saan tayo?
Ating unan.
Oo. Saan tayo? Kaliwa kanan?
Truck yung van ng mga
Kanan.
One way. One way lang, one way.
naligtas sila sa paglulusak.
You have arrived at your destination.
Arrive na ako.
Kiramay sa patay.
Ano maganda?
Ito na, Yellowstone na, National Park.
Ito na.
Justice
Saan tayo dito?
Center. Diretso pa.
Malayo pa ba?
Abay, may 49 miles pa.
Malayo pa pala.
I can see different colors.
Look at
Yan
those
eh, yan eh,
houses.
Yellowstone.
Bayan to, ito yung bayan. Malaki to.
Ay, doon ba yan?
I can see purple and pink and orange here.
Ano pala yun? Bitukang manok.
Ayan,
May-
visitor center.
May
Information
matatang,
permit.
may
Ay, Ria, bukas naman ah.
Pareho sa Amerika.
Pasok tayo sa visitor center. Gusto nyo?
Pwede rin.
Yes, please.
O daw.
Bawal ang RB eh.
Bawal yata ang
No
pumarada.
over... Ano? Okay. Oversized or towed vehicle. Bawal. Bawal tayo.
Oh. Ikot ka dyan. Daddy, park na kayo dyan. Bawal pala kami dito. Ayan, diretso nyo to.
Ikot na lang ako.
Oh,
Yun, kung saan sila nakaano. O baka pwede dito.
Bawal dito syempre.
lot of
Entrance
You should not
26.
camp here at this village campsite.
May nahulog yata.
Where?
Classic
Did
belt.
someone fell there?
Because they are not listening. That's why.
They're putting someone to jail?
Ah, may pating.
Pating.
Pating mo na.
Yung mga otter.
Ah, yun! Elk! Oh.
Ayun dyan oh. May elk. Left.
Ayun.
Yung mga tao, kung nasa yung mga tao.
Beige.
Bees.
Pinuhuli pala ito siguro. Nag-park dito. Anong campsite number natin?
Hindi mag-check-in pa ako eh.
Wala yun.
Yung parada mo muna dyan.
This is where we're camping.
Parada mo muna. Check-in mo.
So, nandito na kami sa Fishing Bridge, RV Park. So, magche-check-in lang kami. So, nakarating na rin kami sa wakas. So, yan, Fishing Bridge. RV Park registration. So, yan. Check-in lang kami.
Do you know what the last name's on it? Reyes. R-E-Y-E-S.
And I just need to see a form of identification from either of you is fine, just for confirmation. And if it's in a sleeve, you don't have to pull it out. I just need to glance at it.
Okay.
You've got a 25-foot motorhome. Yes.
That's good. And then I have you saying 3 nights, 4 adults, 2 children.
Yeah.
Ano yun?
And then, are you guys camping with any pets?
No.
And then, what will you be camping in?
We have a travel trailer.
And is that a hard-sided trailer? Hard-sided trailer, sorry?
Yeah, I think so, yeah. Hard-sided.
Hard side, yeah?
Yeah, it's not soft, right?
Yeah.
And do you know the length of the trailer?
27 feet.
Okay. And then we collect donations for Yellowstone Forever. It's a nonprofit that does services for the park. Just wondering if you want to make a donation through reservation.
Or can we just give cash?
Sure.
Yeah. You want to donate?
No. You don't have to.
Yeah, it's okay.
Do you have a washroom?
Restroom, it's going to be left, and if that's occupied, just tell them you're going to use the bathroom and you can go down that hallway.
Yeah.
Okay, and then I have a MasterCard on file ending in 2484. Is
Yeah.
that fine? Put the whole say on there?
$24.84, yeah.
Yeah. All right. And then just give me one moment, and then I will have to go over some campground information with you guys. But then I'll show you to your site, and you'll be free to enjoy the park. A.m. to 10 p.m. But just know, after 8:28, our hours are going to change, so will only be open 8 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Okay.
And then shower and laundry services will follow that, but that'll be on Wednesday. But currently, showers are going to be open 7 a.m. to 9:30 p.m., closed midday for cleaning 1:30 to 3, and then laundry is going to be open 7 a.m. And then the latest we want you using a washer is going to be around 8:30, just so you can get out by 10 when this building closes, and then it'll be 7:30, just so you can get out when the building closes after our hours change.
Okay.
Here are some shower cards. It works like a punch card, so that one, sorry, I should sign it. So this one should work. This would give you 14 showers, and if you want to redeem them, just take them to the cashier over there. She'll mark them back and send you guys back to the showers. They do have family showers, so if you have young children, you can wash them in there, and they're just like big shower rooms.
Okay.
We do
Is this per person or is this?
that would give you 14 showers, so per person or however you want to use it
okay,
up. So if
okay.
someone in your party doesn't shower, they don't have to use it.
Wait, this one is...
And those are just some extra,
Oh, okay.
because I wanted to give you guys at least 18.
Oh, 18. Free shower.
It should be a little more. We do suggest the use of a water regulator when hooking up to our water, because we do tend to have fluctuating pressure. You may just want to watch out for freezing temperatures here, so you don't get you don't incur any damage on your RV. And do you use a
Sure.
yeah. We have sewer. It's going to be a sealed connection, just from your trailer to the dump site at your site. And as long as it's sealed with no gaps, you should be perfectly fine to dump. 911, the U.S. emergency service number, should work on your phone. Even if you have a SIM card, even if you don't have service here, that number should still go through, and that will connect you to the Park Service while you're in Yellowstone. Have you guys camped in bear country before?
No. That's
All
not.
right. So we do have grizzlies, black bears, as well as other animals in our surrounding area. It's nothing to be afraid of, but it is something we definitely have to be aware of the wildlife here. They can be attracted to any item with an odor. So we just ask that you keep a clean campsite, and virtually anything you use at your campsite, once you're done using it, you're not going to leave it outside at your campsite when you leave the campground. You're going to put it back in the travel trailer, or the vehicle would work as well. These items specifically, all the ones in this box, but just want to point out, coolers and grills cannot be left out at your site, especially if you're not there with it. So you're free to grill at your site, you just have to put it away once you're done.
Okay.
Is there any certain time of hours for that?
No, you can do that anytime. If we're gonna run a generator, we do have electricity, so I don't know why you would need to, but that you can only do 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and our quiet hours are 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. So just try to keep it quiet during those times and be respectful of people.
Okay.
But no specific hours for that. Just put it inside once you're done. If you leave it out overnight, it probably will be confiscated by the rangers.
Okay.
And then no tents and no units with canvas, so please have everyone sleep in your trailer. And then we are hard-sided only. We can't allow wooded campfires at this campground, but charcoal, propane, and gas fire pits are fine. Just please only cook on the grills. The rest of these rules you can read at your leisure. We do have bear spray. Please carry bear spray if you're gonna go trail hiking, just to make it for your own safety.
Okay.
And do you guys have any questions on that?
Not so far.
The checkout time is going to be 11.
Okay.
Show you to your site. While you stay with us, you're going to put this in one of the windows of your trailer. It has your site number, checkout date, and last name. When you leave us on the 29th, if you take a right leaving our parking lot, we do have a checkout box that you can drop this yellow card in, and then that'll check you out.
Oh, okay.
So you don't have to come inside unless you want to. And then just give me 1 second to find your site, please. You're going to be in a back-in site. So how that'll look is you will just back in the trailer. Sorry. Yeah, so the road will be going this way. 1 second, sorry.
Sundan namin kayo.
Nahanap ka, yung daw na babae, di daw nag-flash. Nag-flash ako. Joke lang.
Ryan, parang sila
Oh, kanan. Yeah.
Ba't gano'n naman? Walang ano?
Walang ano.
Bakit ganyan?
You're the
Sa dulo
black
tayo.
RV.
O kanan, dun sa dulo. Dun ka.
Ba't ganyan dito? Dikit-dikit.
Basta na
Bakit
dun.
mas maganda doon?
Pangit yung malilit dun. Itong malalaki, itong pinakabago, to full hookup. Diretso, malilit dun.
Seatbelt. Meron tunog eh.
may bayad dito, Tin.
Opo.
Opo,
Magkano?
100 something a night.
360 sana. Ganda rito.
Okay, diretso, sa dulo.
Bus oh. Bus. Ito na dala yung scooter. Kasi isa lang na dulo. Liit na no.
Pero marami.
Ano pa dito? Walang privacy. Open. Pag kami mahirap na kakain sa kapitbahay, makikihingi na lang.
Hmm?
E259 diba? E259 diba? Ha?
Oh, pero dulo daw eh.
Oo nga, dulo nga.
E259 na. Ano ba pabak? Pero bakit parang pa-forward? Ah, pabak nga. Yung iba pull through.
Ano yun?
Hindi mo ba tinignan? Imagine mo, parang sila nakakit sa ganun. Oh, this is my baby. This smelly armpit. Oh, bilang pangatlo. 1, 2, 3. Sa 3 ka papasok. 1.
Yan ang 254.
Yan, pangatlo. Pasok.
Saan tayo? Kaliwa, kanan?
Kanan.
Kanan?
Atras, oo.
Boom.
E259.
Puro F-150. Malakas ng tubig natin dito.
E. Ayan, 55, 56, 57, 58. Ayan, yung 59 yan. Nabakante, katabi ng bus. Hazard ka. Okay. I-unhook mo para dyan yung kotse dito ka.
Kunin mo nga yung kumot nun. Balutin ko nga ito. I think that.
No, I want to stay inside the car. I want to stay inside the car only.
Eh bakit kasi lumabas ka na? Balot mo yan. They will wrap it. And then you can sit down here on the table. You want to sit down on the table?
Where do I go? I bring a big stick.
Huh?
It's big.
Yeah, this is big. This looks like that size.
Yeah, but a little skinny.
Don't put it in the table. Just let me go.
My backpack inside here.
I'll get it.
Look at my pretty house. Mommy, my phone.
So yun, magandang gabi sa lahat. So nandito na kami.
Busy.
Busy. So yun. Ihaw lang kami. So nagset na ako. So ihaw ribs.
Mamaya napasa natin yung beer.
Tama rin dating natin, medyo
So medyo okay na ba yung aming dating.
Ito
So
kasi
RB Park.
heart ng dalawang pasyalan.
Yeah.
Ito. Pakita ko sa inyo.
Daddy, hi, Dad.
Hi!
Hi.
So ito. Yung RB Park dito sa Yellowstone. Malapit sa lake. So yan. Dito kami nagpark. So dalawang sasakyan yung kasya. So yan. So tama-tama lang yung dating namin at bukas ay gala. So yan.
Lowbat ka ba?
Nang
Ang Georgiana sa dalawang lola na
hindi naman.
nakadikit.
It's cooking.
Mahina internet.
Lola
So hindi namin akalain na kami makakarating dito sa Montana.
Samang RB.
Samang RB.
Yellowstone.
First time ng RB sa US at first time ng aming pick up sa US. So tamang relax lang muna dito. So yan oh. Daming nagka-camping dito. Iba-ibang mga pinanggalingan.
We
So,
saw bison and elk today.